Hi, Olivia. So I figured that I'm not really sure what level you're at, so I thought we'd just do a beginner lesson. So basically just starting with the very basics. So when we look at the piano, we have groups of 2 black keys and groups of 3 black keys. So the groups of 2 black keys, right below it is going to be our C. So we have 2 black keys, C, 2 black keys, C, 2 black keys, C, 2 black keys, C. So basically the notes on the piano just go from A to G, A to G, A to G. So our very bottom note is A, then B, then C, then D, then E, then F, then G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and so on all the way up the piano. So if you have a full-size piano at home, your bottom note will be A and your top note will be C. Now, if you don't have a full-size piano, if you just have a shorter keyboard, your notes will probably start from about here, this C here, to probably about this C up here, just to keep that in mind. So yes, we talked about the groups of 2 black keys and then C, 2 black keys, C. And then a quick way to find the Fs is we find the groups of 3 black keys, and then that's F, 3 black keys, F, 3 black keys, F. So we have C, and then we have F that now we know. Another thing to review that we can go over that you will first learn is, and that you need to know right off the bat, is our finger numbers. So in piano, we have finger 1 is your thumb, finger 2, finger 3, finger 4, finger 5. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you can just spend some time going over that. So we know our very basic notes. Names of our notes on the piano. And then when we're sitting at the piano, we have to make sure we're seated at the correct distance, the correct height, and sitting tall yet relaxed. And with a straight back if you can. The other thing too is try not to sit too close to the piano, because I know hinder yourself and you won't be able to your elbows will be locked and it'll be more uncomfortable, but try not to sit too far either. So if you can see in this picture, this boy here is at a pretty good distance from the piano. So if you can try to situate yourself in that kind of distance, that would be perfect. And then the correct height. So when you're too low at the piano, that also makes a big difference. And when you're too high, that makes a difference too. And then tall yet relaxed. So you don't want to be sitting too tall so you're not relaxed, but tall enough. Okay, and then when we play our notes, we have to make a round hand shape. So we start with our fingers like this, and then here it's showing you make a C shape, and you kind of transition that to the piano. So straight fingers to a C to the piano. We don't want to make sure we play like this, because that is very hard on our fingers. So just those nice curved fingers with your wrist kind of not up too high, but kind of relaxed. Shoulder down and relaxed. So this is just going over the finger numbers like we did before. So 1 is your thumb, 5 is your pinky, keeping in mind that your right hand will be different than your left hand, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is just going over the C's like we did before. So now we're going to start at the middle of the piano. We're going to start finger. So here you can see to find the very middle one, we have 1, 2, 3 on this side, 1, 2, 3 on this side. So that's how you find the middle one. So you're going to play this with your left hand. So the way you can find your left hand, you just make an L like this, and it makes the left hand. All right, I'm going to try that again. So you just play all of the black keys, the 2 groups of black keys. All right, and then we're going to try it with the right hand. All right. And then if you want, you can try that with your groups of 3 black keys now. So we'll start with your left hand first, now the groups of 3 black keys. And your right hand. All right, I hope that was helpful and I hope to see you next week. Bye.